What's up guys, so in today's video I will show you how to speed up your internet connection on Windows 10 or 11. So first of all, click on the start menu and you need to find registry editor. Once find it, click on run it as administrator, confirm here by clicking yes. And here we are in registry editor. Click on here local machine, system, Ctrl Z, expand folder, locate this folder, expand it, click on parameters, here right click new and binary option. Give it a name, EIRP stack size, and right click, select decimals and fix value data. Click on OK. So now what you need to do is simply click on restart your computer and everything should be working good now.